Hyunanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my channel. I'm Euanne Hyuna. So today's video, I will teach you how to cut and layer your hair at home. And these are the materials that we needed. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! So let's start now. Unanimous friend, these are the materials that we needed to cut our hair. First, we needed the flat iron or hair blower, comb, or if you have a hairbrush, you can use it. And then, we needed the ponytail and the hair scissor. So, much better if you use the hair cutting scissor. But for me, I will use the ordinary scissors. This is the first thing you do before you cut your hair. Wash your hair, blow dry, and use the flat iron to straighten your hair. Okay? The second step is flip, brush all your hair forward, and use hair ties to tie it into a very high ponytail. Then, tie the second hair ties to stabilize your hair. Then, tie the third hair ties at the length you will like to cut your hair. Now, cut the hair above the third hair ties. Next, untie your hair, then divide your hair. So, I divide my hair in 3 sections. Then, I will tie using the hair ties. Now, we do a point cutting. Untie the hair ties and brush your hair and enjoy your beautiful long layer. Now this is the moment of truth. I'm satisfied to my haircut. As you see, this is the first layer, second layer, third layer, and the fourth layer. So, unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you, I promise. Until next video, I love you. Bye! I enjoy my beautiful long layer.